let's do example 12 a go. Now, it's really important that you write these all step by step because these are harder examples. I know some of you have just been watching them, but please do write these down because you might want to come back to it. Alright, so if I want to solve cos squared theta, I'm just writing theta, but you could definitely write x because that's what they wanted to do. So if I want to get cos x, I can't really use the unit circle with cos squared theta because that's not the values I want. So make sure you square root them. So I get plus or minus 1/4. Okay, so notice that I get plus or minus 1/4, and I can't actually decide which one I'm using and stuff like that, like we were used to in previous questions, because this is a bit of a different question. So now I understand that, oh, this is not right. Hold on, I just have to write square root 1/2, which is 1/square root 2. Sorry about that, that was the wrong answer. So now what I need to do is I need to figure out when my cos x is plus 1/square root 2 and also when my cos x is minus square root 2. So I need to find inverse cos and find both of my answers. So first answer I get, oh, I didn't even write it properly. I get pi/4. The second answer I get I didn't put a minus there. I get 3pi/4. Okay, so let me draw a unit circle and see if there's any more other options. So, all silly turtles crawl. So my first option, when my cos is a positive answer, is going to be positive on these two. So that answer is going to respond to that pi/4 angle. So naturally, I should be able to figure out what that angle is because that's pi/4. So I should naturally be able to figure out what that angle is. Okay, so maybe I'll do that first to show you. So in order to do that, I just got to do 2pi, take pi/4. I'm manipulating data. So I get 7pi/4. So those are my two options for when my cos is positive. But as you can see over here, my cos is also negative, so I've got to look at both options. So let me draw those other options as well. I might use another unit circle to show this. So for my negative options, whereabouts is my cos negative? Well, it's going to be over here and over here. So when I do my inverse cos of minus 1/2, my answer that I get is that answer, which is 3pi/4. So if I want to figure out, this angle, easiest way to probably do it is to go 2pi, take 3pi/4. So those coloured ones are both of my second option for which gives me 5pi/4. So what that means is if I draw a final kind of unit circle to combine all of those answers, I actually found answers for every single option quadrant. So there was this option which was pi/4. There was that option which was which one was this? 3pi/4. There was that option which was 5pi/4, and there was my last option, which, what happened to my pen? Which is 7pi/4. Okay, so I found 4 options in total, and they actually end up all being my answers, and that's it. So therefore, my x is pi/4, and I like to write it in order of smallest to largest. That's how your answer would probably say your answer as well. So these are the answers. Okay, you can't go any further because you were restricted to 0 to 2pi. That's it. So make sure you copy those down. Now, you should be able to do 70.3 all of these. They might be a little bit tricky because this is kind of a new concept. Give it a go. Please ask lots of questions in class and ask for videos if you need more help with it. But I'm going to keep going on with